So on the last review I did of this Texas Pride trailer, one of the things I said I was having an issue with was on that video when I was loading the truck, the cable from the winch was going over the roller that I had installed and then down, and it was basically untilting the trailer. So I had thought about how to fix that, and I kind of came up with an idea, but then I contacted Texas Pride and told them that basically the issue I was having, and on their newer trailers they'd already solved this. So basically what they did was the hydraulic cylinder goes to a switch, a two-way switch on off, and then a reservoir. So basically you can move the trailer any way you want, but you turn, and now, except for just the slack, obviously, it won't move, and it stays tilted no matter what kind of weight you put on it. And I can stand on it now on the very nose, and it doesn't tilt. You can also use it as a throttle. So I loaded a 1-ton Dodge Dually on it here a few months ago, and the whole weight of that truck, and it was a extended, or it was a crew cab, whatever, I don't know what Dodge calls them, but I had the whole weight of the truck up here, Cummins diesel and all, and it didn't want to tilt on me. So then you could throttle it to whatever speed you want, and tilt it back. Thank you and have a good day.